guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video is going to be a orange monochromatic kind of look, a wearable orange monochromatic look, because personally I just love this kind of makeup look, and I was like, let me just ask you guys, what color do you want? You want an orange or you want a pink? If you guys actually love pink color, pink is not my favorite color, but for you guys I was really confused. So that's the reason I asked you guys, and so many of you guys actually recommended me to do a orange monochromatic look. Here I am with a wearable orange monochromatic makeup look for you. Okay, this is actually looking like I have small cat ears. Just ignore it. You guys can see I was selecting out colors. I was like so confused what color I should actually use. Now I have eyeshadow palettes, but I don't have a palette where I will get like 2 or 3 orange shade, like beautiful orange shade, not only mattes plus shimmers as well. Let's just test out few colors and let me see which eyeshadow palette I'm gonna use for today's video. And I just want to keep it very affordable so that you guys can also purchase it and so that you guys can also use it. You can just definitely go for any orange shade that you have. You don't need this exact palette, but okay, you guys will see. Without any further ado, if you're interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. Before using my foundation and before using my face makeup, I'm gonna prep my skin as usual. So I'm gonna use this particular face serum from Wearable. I think this is how you pronounce the name. Now this is not my like favorite face serum or anything like that. I don't think it works that well. I don't know, it's like my personal opinion. This actually gives you a little bit of brightness if you use it underneath your foundation. This dropper is of no use. This is a serum which will not give you any oily or sticky kind of feeling, which is really good, especially if you have extremely oily skin. I think you can go for this one, but this is expensive. This is really expensive. Okay, so I completely forgot to apply my sunscreen before my serum. Why am I like this? Anyways, I'm gonna use a sunscreen now. A sunscreen from Wow Skin Science. I'm gonna take only this much and I am just gonna apply it all over my skin. I just really hate how Wow products actually smell. Personally don't like any face product to smell this strong. It smells like a perfume. I think this sunscreen is good for you because this is a serum based sunscreen and this will actually give you a matte finish. And I will not say this will give you completely matte finish or anything like that. Personally, my favorite is a gel based sunscreen, especially that Lotus one, which is my absolute favorite. But I don't really mind using this particular sunscreen because I think it contains SPF 55, which is like really good for summers. First, I am gonna do my eye makeup before doing my face makeup, and for that I'm gonna use some concealer. This one is from Swiss Beauty, my absolute favorite concealer. I'm just gonna use it all over my eyelid. So for my eyeshadow, I think I'm gonna use this palette right over here. This one is from Miss Claire and this is a really affordable palette. As you guys can see, I have like 2 orange shades. This one is red. It looks like kind of orangish because it contains an orange undertone. I think I'm gonna use it as well. So I have 3 orange shades right over here, 2 matte and 1 shimmer. I'm just gonna play with these colors and let's see what we can create. Okay, so first I'm gonna take this particular color right over here. This is kind of a very soft orangish kind of shade. So I'm gonna take my fluffy blending brush. Just gonna wash this color all over my eyelid. This color, how soft this is. You can absolutely build this color, but I just love how soft this looks. Feel orange is a color, like if you use a very deep bright orange color. It's not actually wearable obviously, but I think a color like this, which is kind of a muted orange shade, I think this is so pretty all over your lid. And if you don't want to use a shimmer as well, you can just use such muted, just wash it all over your eyelid with a fluffy brush and you're just good to go. Particular shimmer shade right over here, and I'm really confused how am I going to use it. Am I going to use it all over my eyelid or just like my inner corners? I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna take this color right over here and I am not gonna use it all over my eyelid. I'm just gonna use it over here, my inner corners, and then I am just gonna blend it upwards. This is what my eyes are looking right now. I'm so far happy that orange shimmer shade is not that pigmented. I just want a bright pop of color right over here. So that's the reason I'm going to use my Sugar Cosmetics Blend the Rules mini eyeshadow palette. See this particular shimmer shade right over here. This is a golden orangish kind of shade, not orange, but this is a orange shimmery kind of shade with a golden undertone. So I'm just going to use this particular color over here. Yeah, much better. You can actually do, if you don't have this palette, you can just use a orange shade all over your inner corner, then take any orange shimmer shade or any kind of, I think you can take a golden shimmer shade as well with the orange undertone. You can just use it all over your inner corner. Keep this in mind to use a orange shade before using that shimmer shade, because that shimmer shade will actually pop your orange shade that you have used underneath. That makes sense. This is what my eyes are looking so far. I'm so far really happy. I am gonna use a brown pencil. I'm not gonna use a black eyeliner because I don't know, I just want a brown color with this eye look. If you want to use a black eyeliner, you can definitely go for it, but personally I just want a brown shade with this look. So that's the reason I'm gonna use my Chambord, use my Extreme Eye Long Wear Eye Pencil, and this is in the shade Golden Brown. I'm just gonna use it a little bit, not like a wing eyeliner or anything like that. I'm just gonna use it just a little bit, have a dark base for my eyelash. You can definitely go with your mascara, but personally I am an eyelash person, use a eyelash. But if you don't want to use an eyelash, you can use your favorite mascara and you can just go with it. I'm gonna use Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Foundation Stick, and this is in the shade Beige 03. I really love how creamy this foundation stick is. It's light for me, I know that, but we are going to manage. All-time favorite foundation stick is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation Stick, but sometimes I use this one as well. Go with the same concealer, my Swiss Beauty concealer, and this is in the shade 05. I'm just gonna use it over here, a little bit over here. Ryan Little. So now Now for my powder, I am gonna use my Biotique Magic Compact Powder. I'm gonna do my favorite technique. I am going to take my beauty blender. This smells so bad. Push my powder right like this. So I am going to show you guys a trick. So this is the eye pencil that I am going to use for my lower lash line. Now obviously this is a monochromatic look. I just don't want to keep a brown lower lash line. So first I'm going to line this area with some brown eye pencil. I am going to take this deeper red orangish kind of shade and I am going to blend this out. This is not brown, this is not orange, so this will not be like orange, so that's the reason use the brown eye pencil first and then the orange shade. For my bronzer, I am going to use my LA Colors bronzer. I'm just going to bronze up my skin. Another trick that I just want to show you guys, I'm taking the bronzer and I am just using it as a blush as well. Obviously I'm going to use some blush, but I am just using it all over my cheeks as well because I just want to give my skin a kind of sun-kissed look. For my blush, I am going to use this one from Makeup Revolution and this is one of my favorite blush. Now you will say why this is in pink. I don't know, I think I have a lot of orange all over my face, so that's the reason I'm going to use this. This is not that much pink, like it will not look intensely pink, it will mix up with my bronzer. Like see, this is not actually looking pink. For my highlighter, I am going to take my LA Girls highlighter. This is like a powder highlighter. This is a beautiful sun-kissed glow kind of highlighter. Like see, this is so pretty. This is a powder highlighter which I personally don't prefer, but for this kind of looks you can definitely go for it. Lips, I'm gonna use my favorite lip color. This one is Toasted Brown from Maybelline. Brown lip color, but it also have a kind of orangish undertone. Going with this look, you can obviously pair it with a little bit of muted orange shade, but I don't know, I think I'm gonna go with this particular shade which is kind of a brown plus a orange if I am wearing this look. So I'm just going to use it all over. Like see, this actually gives you that orangish, brownish, burn kind of a feeling. So that's what I really love. Hey guys, this is the finished look. I paired it up with this two clip. I think I'm looking hilarious. But yeah, let's just ignore it. And this is what my makeup is looking like. I'm so happy with how everything turned out and I think it's looking pretty nice and cute. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Make sure to check that out and I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and I will see you guys on my next video.